In this video, I will show you how to create a new partition in your Windows 11 or Windows 10 devices. So to do that, you have to first open the disk management. So just search disk management. So it will give you this option. Just open that. So you can see both SSDs I can see here. So I want to partition the D drive so that I can create one more um, drive. So I'm gonna do is like just right click and select shrink volume. So here I can choose how much size I want for my new disk. So I'm just going for 100 gigs, and then I had to click shrink volume. So now the volume has been shrinked and there is a unallocated space here. So here I just have to right click and create new simple volume. Click next so that I'm choosing the enter size and click yes. I'm giving it F drive. So and yes, I'm keeping NTFS. Now let's finish. Yeah, so now a new drive is created. So you can see like I have a new F drive here. So thank you guys for watching this video. If it's helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe so that I can create more videos like this. Thank you for your time and have a good day.